Have you ever wondered why the pixie cut remains one of the most iconic hairstyles in the world? From celebrities on the red carpet to everyday women looking for a fresh new look, the pixie cut continues to inspire confidence, style, and individuality. In today's video, we are diving deep into everything you need to know about the pixie cut, its history, different variations, styling tips, maintenance, and why it remains a favorite among fashion lovers everywhere. The pixie cut is a short hairstyle typically cropped close to the head, often featuring shorter sides and back with slightly longer layers on top. Although it may seem like a modern trend, the pixie cut has a rich history dating back decades. It gained widespread popularity during the 1950s and 1960s when women began embracing shorter hairstyles as a symbol of freedom and self-expression. Over the years, countless style icons have worn pixie cuts, proving that short hair can be just as glamorous and versatile as long locks. One of the biggest reasons people love the pixie cut is its ability to highlight facial features. With less hair covering the face, beautiful eyes, cheekbones, jawlines, and smiles become the center of attention. Many people discover a new sense of confidence after making the transition to a pixie cut, because it allows their natural beauty to shine through. It's a hairstyle that says you're confident, stylish, and not afraid to stand out. There are many different types of pixie cuts available today, making it easy to find a version that suits your personality and face shape. The classic pixie cut features short layers all around the head with a neat and polished finish. This timeless style is elegant, sophisticated, and easy to maintain. It's perfect for anyone who wants a chic look without spending hours styling their hair each morning. Another popular option is the textured pixie cut. This style uses layers and movement to create a playful and modern appearance. Textured pixie cuts add volume and dimension, making them ideal for people with fine or thin hair. By using lightweight styling products, you can easily create a messy, effortless look that feels trendy and youthful. The long pixie cut is another favorite among those who want to keep a bit more length. This version features longer layers on top and around the front, providing additional styling flexibility. You can sweep the hair to one side, create soft waves, or add volume for a glamorous finish. The long pixie cut serves as an excellent transition style for anyone moving from long hair to a shorter haircut. For those seeking an edgier appearance, the undercut pixie cut offers a bold and contemporary option. This style combines shaved or closely cropped sides with longer hair on top. The contrast creates a dramatic effect that showcases creativity and confidence. Many fashion-forward individuals choose undercut pixie cuts because they allow for unique styling opportunities while maintaining a modern aesthetic. Face shape often plays a role when selecting the perfect pixie cut. Fortunately, pixie cuts can be customized to flatter nearly every face shape. People with oval faces can wear almost any variation successfully because their balanced proportions complement short hairstyles naturally. Those with round faces may prefer pixie cuts that add height and volume at the crown, helping create the illusion of length. Square faces often benefit from soft layers and side-swept bangs that balance strong jawlines. Heart-shaped faces look beautiful with pixie cuts that provide fullness around the jaw area, creating harmony throughout the face. Hair texture also influences how a pixie cut will look and behave. Straight hair creates sleek and polished pixie styles that appear clean and sophisticated. Wavy hair brings natural movement and texture, making styling easier and more dynamic. Curly hair can produce stunning pixie cuts filled with personality, volume, and charm. Skilled hairstylists can tailor the cut to work with your natural texture rather than against it, ensuring beautiful results. Many people hesitate before getting a pixie cut because they worry about losing styling options. However, pixie cuts are surprisingly versatile. Depending on the length and layering, you can create multiple looks using simple techniques. For a polished daytime appearance, smooth the hair with a styling cream and brush it neatly into place. For a casual look, Apply texturizing products and use your fingers to create volume and movement. For evening events, add shine products, create dramatic side parts, or accessorize with decorative clips and headbands. Maintenance is another important factor to consider. One advantage of the Pixie cut is its relatively simple daily routine. Washing, drying, and styling typically take far less time compared to longer hairstyles. However, regular trims are essential to maintain the desired shape. Most stylists recommend scheduling appointments every 4 to 6 weeks. Consistent maintenance ensures the haircut remains sharp, flattering, and easy to manage. The Pixie cut is also popular because it works well across different age groups. Young women often choose Pixie cuts for their trendy and fashionable appearance. Professionals appreciate the polished and confident image they project in the workplace. Mature women frequently embrace Pixie cuts because they provide elegance, sophistication, and easy maintenance. The style transcends age, making it a timeless choice for anyone seeking a fresh look. Color can dramatically enhance a Pixie cut. Highlights add dimension and depth, helping layers stand out beautifully. Blonde shades often create a bright and youthful appearance, while brunette tones offer richness and sophistication. Bold colors such as copper, burgundy, silver, or pastel shades can transform a Pixie cut into a true statement hairstyle. Because the hair is shorter, experimenting with color can feel less intimidating and easier to maintain. Accessories can further elevate a Pixie cut. Decorative hair clips, jeweled pins, headbands, scarves, and hats all complement short hairstyles wonderfully. Accessories provide opportunities to personalize your look and adapt it for different occasions. Whether attending a wedding, heading to work, or enjoying a casual day out, small styling additions can make a significant difference. One common misconception is that Pixie cuts only suit certain personalities. In reality, the Pixie cut can be adapted to match a wide range of styles. Whether your aesthetic is classic, romantic, edgy, minimalist, glamorous, or artistic, there's a Pixie variation that aligns with your preferences. The versatility of this haircut is one reason it has remained relevant through changing fashion trends. Confidence often plays a major role in the decision to get a Pixie cut. Cutting off significant length can feel like a dramatic change, but many people describe the experience as empowering. A Pixie cut encourages self-expression and often inspires individuals to embrace their unique features. It shifts attention toward the face and personality, creating a strong and memorable impression. Before getting a Pixie cut, it's helpful to consult with an experienced hairstylist. Bring photos of styles you admire and discuss your hair type, lifestyle, and maintenance preferences. A professional can recommend modifications that complement your features while ensuring the cut remains practical for your daily routine. Clear communication helps achieve the best possible results. Styling products can enhance the appearance of a Pixie cut significantly. Lightweight mousses add volume, texturizing sprays create movement, pomades define layers, and shine serums provide a polished finish. Experimenting with different products allows you to discover which combinations work best for your specific hair texture and desired look. The Pixie cut continues to evolve as hairstylists introduce new techniques and creative interpretations. Modern versions incorporate asymmetrical lines, soft fringes, dramatic undercuts, and textured finishes that reflect current fashion trends. This constant evolution keeps the Pixie cut exciting and relevant while preserving its timeless appeal.